So after a couple minutes, I have this appear on my Kenmore Elite dryer. That means it's a call for service. But to find out what's the problem, you have to find a code. So we're gonna turn it off, turn it back on. Return to any cycle first. Let me see how it's down. E64, that's the error code. I think so you have to look up in a book or go online and search what that is. In that case, is the thermostat is bad, I think. So we have to take this apart back here and see what we have. Then you connect this hose. There will be water coming out. It looks like I have to take all this screw out to take this whole panel out. Be sure to unplug, and then you can get inside the thermostat in there. So you have to take this top piece out right here. There were 2 screws, and this attached to here. Got 2 screws right there. You have to take it out. And to get to this, to get this panel out so you can get to the thermostat. Go ahead and take these 2 brackets out so these can come out easier. And then just tilt this forward to get a bracket out. Like that. I need 2 hands. Then you have 2 more screws here. And another one. And another one right here. And there she is. Right here. I think that's a thermostat right there. This is a Kenmore Elite dryer. And I believe the heating elements in here. I'm just curious. I'm going to take this out. And I'm going to check the heating elements. See how... if it doesn't look good, I'm going to go ahead and replace it. Do it all at once. All right, let me take this. There's a bolt. There's a screw under here, I think. Yep, right there. So I'm going to take these 2 screwed out. I already took this one out. I'm going to take this out, and I'm going to see the inside of this, the heating element, see if it's still good or not. Here she is. Heating element looks good. All the wires still attached. You can see it right there. Nothing broken. Yeah, all the wire up there. All 3 still there. Look like that 2 still there. Oh, this coil looks pretty good. Not rusted. And here's the thermostat. It looks good. But I guess the code says a thermostat. We'll see. I took a picture, so I don't think it's matter which wire. All right, let's go see and order one or go to the store and pick up one. All right, so I decided just to replace the whole kit, the elements, the thermostat and all that. It cost like another 20 bucks. I just don't want to replace the thermostat and then a few months or a year later, the elements need to be replaced. Just might as well do it all at once. You can find the model of your dryers right here. The door. Right there, the model and serial number. So I got this on the Amazon for $35 and ship here in 2 days. All right, let's put this together. Finger crossed. Here's a new piece right here. like it's a match. All the elements here are nice and clean. Here's the old one, original. It's all black in there. It's still, I'm sure it still works, but like I say, it may go bad in a few months or a year. It's not rusted, so let's just take it out. And I'm just remove one wire at a time and attach it to here. And here's a 2 thermostat right here. Over here, there's another wire over here that goes there. Right here, this wire. All right. Here's the leg right here. Gotta take this and put it over there. There's 2 screws, couple screws. Perfect. Ran for 10 minutes and nothing happened. It didn't shut off. So time to put her back. Use 2 hands a lot better. So you see, I just started here already. Put up the lid and I should be done.